Assalamualaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make a new investment mining site. Already 5 weeks is running and it's safe now. Is continue paying payment any member. So don't miss out. I hope you will join now after watch this video. So what's the main reason and benefit for this site? It's the real one of the mining site and also investment site. Is stay now for future more long lasting. So don't miss out. It's a safe investment. So after I introduce this site, before I introduce my YouTube channel, Captain Travel has it to first one part of tutorial video uploaded and another part here travel video uploaded. Now I try to share update in tutorial video in this my YouTube channel, so don't miss out. And now I introduce this site. This site is new mining site, and also this call is machine site site. So it's a new type mining site, and if you joining this site, you get 100 USD bonus from this site, which a valid time 3 days. So if you want continue this your earning, please deposit now. Its deposit is simple, only 10 USD. If you deposit, you can earn from this site. So I hope you will deposit this site as a long-term investment site. Now how to earning from this site, I will show you. If you first, if you come to my video description box and click this link. I also add this description all over my video description. Okay, so how to process this registration? That is a registration process. Stop when you come to this site, you get this form and fill up this option. Okay, so now I fill up it. You can watch it. I fill up this all information. Now click this option. It will be continue. Okay. What's the other option? When you come to this site, you do not get 100 USD bonus. What's the process of you get receive this bonus? So first of you come to this option and screenshot now. Okay, you need to have a screenshot in this page. Okay, so I am now screenshot about this page. I catch up the screenshot and go to the Telegram group. The official manager, you must be called, you send this your screenshot and your user ID. Where is your user ID? Here is your user ID. So you collect this and type here this. Now they are contact their Telegram group. Okay, now I contact them. The general manager Novopus forecast. Okay, yes, now okay, update your picture and send now, and you must be ID type. What is your ID? Here is your ID. Yes. Okay, I also correct this. Now send it. The manager was show this message. They will give you 100 USD bonus. So you another request to you, you go to this Novopus BT group, this, and now SMS now. Okay, so I message them. Many of the new investor also call him, they are waiting, so you must be do this. Okay, so when you message him, he also responds you, and you get this 100 USD bonus. So I show you, I'm waiting for 100 USD bonus. Alhamdulillah, I got this 100 USD bonus. So what do you process now? You go this, okay, you go this, and here's some option here, so you need to do this. Okay, otherwise you cannot receive this bonus. You stay in your mine option. Now select this transfer account. Okay, sorry, security center. You come to this security center and modify your password. Must be type your password and send this verification. And when you go to your email and some they also some verification code in your mail, so you must be copy this in this valuable time, and you paste down and confirm now. And go to your, then you go to your strategy sum, please look at it, strategy now, and go to this conservation, reversed, and strategy. If you say this any method, first of you conservatively strategy, here is a 10 to $1,000. Okay, and reversed, if you reversed, then you 101 USD to 2000 USD dollar. And aggressive strategy, if you have $20,001 to and big more. So how to first of all, if you 100 on 100 USDT below, then you select this option consultative strategy. So type your trade password, which few minutes I also show you as a new password. It's a trade password. Go to security center. Okay, so type your trader password, suppose here, and amount, type your amount, then it will be confirm option. Okay, oh sorry, okay, confirm option, then it will be running. So I show you, alhamdulillah, it's running. Here is another account here mine. So here's show you green button, and if you want to stop, please stop now, and you can revision. I do not read this. If you want to watch the position of view, click this view details option. Okay, I show you what they they are mining, you invest their your money, so they always time show you. Okay, don't miss out. And if you have any question about this site, please call me. You can withdraw your when after you reach this $10, you can withdraw from this site. It's very simple way. So withdraw button come here, and this click and set option. So after I get this big money, then $30, then I also another video for withdraw. So don't miss it. It's a trusted site, and every monthly every member get this receive money from this site. So don't miss out and join now. That's the end of video. Have you any question, please type my video comment box. Okay, I also invite suggestion.